Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, this is Deepankar Bagade. In today's topic, we are going to develop a VHDL program for 8:1 marks and going to show its simulation. First of all, what is VHDL? VHDL is a hardware description language used in electronic design, automation to describe digital and mixed signal system. The system may be a single gate to complete a digital electronic system. It can be considered as a combination of following language as sequential language, concurrent language, netlist language, timing language, and waveform generation language. What are the needs of VHDL? The requirements for it was generated in 1981 under VHSI program. In this program, a number of US companies were involved in designing VHSI chips for DoD, that is Defense Department. Most of the companies were using different hardware description to describe and develop their ICs. As a result, vendor could not efficiently change designing with another. Okay, also they were provided DoD description of their chips in different hardware description language. Reuse was also an issue. Thus, a need for a standard language for designing and documentation of digital system was generated, that is VHDL. So, in this VHDL package, it provides convenient mechanism to store and share declarations that are common across many design units, and it is decided by IEEE and ANSI. VHDL provides 5 different primary constructs called the design unit, and they are like entity declaration, architecture body, configuration declaration, package declaration, and package body. And in entity declaration, we are going to use entity as test bench. So now we are going to develop MUX 8:1 using VHDL. In this slide, there is circuit diagram for 8:1 MUX. In 8:1 MUX, there are 8 input, 3 select line, and 1 output. And also we have given here truth table. So here is a test bench program for 8:1 MUX. As you see, there is a 3-line code program. Therefore, we have S as select line, D as input line, and Y as output line, and this is a whole program. So in the next slide, we have VHDL program, that is design program for 8:1 MUX. Same here, 8S is select line, D is input line, and Y is output line. And we have written all 8-digit binary number, 8 number for binary digit. And in the next slide, there is an input screen where we have used EDA Playground as an online compiler for VHDL program to generate output. And in the next slide, there is the output waveform, that is result for our program, the result for our topic. So just we will shift to our EDA online compiler. So as you see here, So as you see here, we have already written the test bench code and design code for 8:1 mux. As we have written this code, we have to check whether the language and libraries are properly set or not. In language and libraries, VHDL should be test bench plus design, and in top entity we should write test bench. After knowing this, we have to go to tools and simulators, where Aldec Rivalry Pro should be used for 8:1 mux, and runtime should be 10,000 PS. After we have done all the tools and language simulators, then we have to just click on open EP wave after run, so we could see the output waveform for 8:1 mux. So let's run the program. So this is our waveform for 8:1 mux, and this is a result for result waveform. Let's go here in Radix. There are two hex and binary. We can set as we want. They are binary and hexa numbers. So let's go back to our PPT. So this is our output waveform. Like our output waveform, we have completed our 8:1 mux program using VHDL. And thank you for watching the video.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.